Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Thinkific for digital product launches step by step clearly. Visit the Thinkific website at thinkific.com. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Create an account by entering your email address and a strong password. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email from Thinkific. Open that email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Thinkific homepage. Log in using your newly created credentials. Choose your plan by clicking on the Pricing tab in the menu. Review the available plans and select one that suits your needs. Click on the Get Started button under your chosen plan. Fill out the required information, including your name and billing details. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Click on the Pay Now button to finalize your subscription. You will be redirected to your new Thinkific dashboard. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the features. Start creating your first course by clicking on the Create Course button. Follow the guided prompts to set up your course content and structure. Congratulations, you are now ready to launch your digital products using Thinkific. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.